Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're just getting started with programming, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we're going to write our very first C# program using Visual Studio Code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a simple project, run it successfully, and print out the classic Hello World message to the screen. Let's dive in and make your very first step in C# programming both fun and easy. Hello World is the traditional first program that every beginner writes when learning a new programming language. It's a simple program that prints the phrase Hello World to the screen, but it serves an important purpose. It introduces you to the structure, syntax, and workflow of coding in that language. In C#, this example helps you understand how the main method works and how to display output using Console.WriteLine. Think of it as your starting point, the foundation you'll build upon as you explore more advanced programming concepts. Watch the video on how to use C# using VS Code. In this video, we learned how to create and run our very first C# program using Visual Studio Code. We walked through setting up the file, writing the Console.WriteLine "Hello World" statement, and running it to see our output on the console. The key takeaway is that even though this program is small, it demonstrates the basic building blocks of C# syntax and the process of executing your code in VS Code. This is the first step in your journey to becoming a confident C# developer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial made your first step into C# programming simple and exciting. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. In upcoming videos, we'll explore variables, data types, and other essential concepts in C#. Until then, keep practicing and happy coding.